What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we are going to be looking at the Nuova Simonelli Appia Life single group, and we're going to look at how to make sure to keep your machine as clean as possible. So today we're going to be performing a back flush on the group head, which is really important to do just because when you are in the process of getting a lot of drinks out at an event, you do tend to get a ton of coffee grounds that go up through your group head, and it's going to be really important for the life of the machine to keep it clean. So what we're going to do is we need a couple of different things. So we have our blind basket. The blind basket is like this, so it has no holes. So just as a comparison, here is your regular basket that you would use. So you can see this is a double single-walled basket. So it's got a ton of holes on it. And then you have your blind basket, which has no holes. So we're going to use the blind basket. You're just going to pop that in, and then you can just put that into your group just to get it nice and hot. Not really important for back flushing. You're going to use a solution of your choice. We do have some solutions that we do have on our website, which I will link down in the description below. And then you're going to need a scale and some sort of scoop, because we're going to do about 3 grams inside of the blind basket, and I will show you how to operate this machine to get the back flush completed. So follow me and let's go. So first we're going to start by just placing your portafilter on your scale. It should be at 0. Then we are going to add 3 grams of our solution. Okay, so this is about all you need. It doesn't matter if you go over 0.1 grams, but the most important thing is don't try to go over more than this, because it's really not needed. I like to just kind of shake it up like this to where it's nice and level inside the blind basket. Okay, so now to start the process, we are going to press and hold the hot water tap button for 3 seconds. And you're going to notice that with these 5 buttons, the middle button that says stop will be the only button illuminated. As you can see here, we have the blinking with this main button in the middle that says stop. So now we're going to go ahead and you're going to go ahead and lock the portafilter in. Now you'll press this button to start the cleaning process. So you're going to notice by looking at the gauge, it's going to go up to about 9 bars, and then it's going to back off. This process is going to last approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now once the cycle is complete, you're going to see that it starts to blink. So you're going to then remove your portafilter. So as you can see, there's a lot of nasty sludge that's coming out of that just after one event. So we're going to dump it pretty much anywhere you want. I'm just going to dump it into the drip tray here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to lock the portafilter back in place. And then you're going to press this button again for a clean rinse instead of with solution. And that process is also going to go about 3 to 4 minutes. And then you're going to notice that this is going to illuminate and blink. And then all 5 buttons will then be illuminated, and your cleaning cycle back flushing is complete, and I will show you that process at the end. So now the buttons are fully illuminated, and now all we have left to do is just remove the portafilter. And you can also, what I like to do is just run another double shot just so water is going through. And you are done. So as you can see, the process is super simple, and it is a really easy and important step in maintaining your espresso machine properly. So like I said, just do another quick rundown. Get a solution of your choice. We have it on our website. I will post it in the link in below. A scale, a blind basket with no holes, and some sort of scoop, and 3 grams of your solution. So my name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and today's video is all about how to properly use this machine to backflush to keep your machine running as long as possible. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.